Once again, thank you so much for watching these videos. Let's proceed. All right, so today I'm going to start working in Visual Studio Code. So let me launch VS Code, Visual Studio Code. And then I'm going to import our project into VS Code. Okay, so I'm going to go to File, then add folder to Workspace, and then I look for our folder. All right, so I have others, but I'll all right, so I'm going to look for that particular view of the dashboard. So again, I go to Resources, Views, Principal, and then Dashboard.blend. So I want to clean it up. So I want to go to that list of the movies I want to go to that list of the menu. Okay. Okay, first of all, the dashboard is not responding, collapsing like this. So, and I think that comes from the bootstrap imported here. So it's looking for the bootstrap at the CDN level. Oh, do I need to import the CDN really? Okay, let me see. Bootstrap CDN. Okay, let me get the CDN. Let me refresh. We won't spend time on it because it's already taking us time. Okay, there it is working. So I've just imported the CDN from their network. So we're going to replace some of these. So remember, the first thing we're dealing with is the playlist. So I'm going to change this to playlist, and then I'll do things inside the playlist, I think. So first of all, I will display the playlist. Then you can add a playlist, such things. So first things first, I will display the playlist onto here. That is the playlist name and whatever is there, and then I can add. So remember, we're doing the cleaning. So I'm going to go to instead of dashboard, I call it playlist, but you can have overall dashboard statistics. Okay, so where is it? Yesterday, today, the other day. Come on. That is one thing I hate with borrowing these, because I had to clean it before. But then what's the reason of cleaning it before, and then you guys are using the same and you can't identify which part I cleaned? Okay, here it is. Let me just verify. Dashboard, and then inside dashboard. So I'm going to call this playlists. Okay, and inside playlists, I have view playlists. So you view them and then you can also add. So I don't know what you can say. View add. Okay. And then where is it going to route? The moment someone presses this button, we want to route it somewhere. We want to route it to href playlist. Okay. I'm going to go to our principal in here, and then inside the principal, I'm going to create a new folder. So right click, new folder, and the new folder will be called playlists. Or admin playlists. Playlist is enough. Press enter. So inside the playlist, I'm going to create a new file and I call it playlists. View playlists. View playlist dot blade. View playlists pro dot blade dot php. So we have one there. Now we can add the table, a bootstrap table. So basically, that's what I'm going to add. Okay, go to our browser again. So bootstrap documentation, we're going to look at tables. All right, so I'll copy a simple table and then we're going to fill it in to fill data in later. So which one should I copy? Okay, let me bring this borderless table. Copy, and then I paste it here. File, save all. So again, let's go to our router and we get ready to receive the view. So the view is going to be route, okay? And what are we routing? Playlists. Playlist in principal controller. So we are routing, yes, playlists, what we did here, in principal controller. In principal controller at a method or a function called, maybe called view, you can call it anything, view playlist. Okay, I save all. Then I go to our principal controller. So remember it's in app, HTTP controllers, and here it is, principal controller. And inside principal controller, I'm going to add a function called playlist. So public function, they are called methods here. Public function, okay, playlist. It's just for seeing a playlist. So I don't expect a variable in there because we're just seeing playlists. And then we're going to return two, okay, what are we going to return to? So we're going to return to a view, and that view will be under principal stroke playlist. Why stroke playlist? Because remember, under the principal folder we have another folder called playlist, and then dot. Now the actual blade file, view playlists, view playlists. As simple as that. Then we terminate. So we're going to be able to see our table. So I'll save all, and then we see if we have errors, Laravel will indicate. So I'm going to go to our dashboard, refresh. Okay, so you can see we have playlists, and if I click a drop down of playlists, we have view playlists. So if I click on it, it should be able to take me to the playlist. Okay, so they are saying view playlist does not exist. Okay, so let me go back to the, okay, this is playlist, and then okay, the method is supposed to be view playlist. The method is supposed to be view playlist. So principal controller view playlist, that is what our method is supposed to be, at view playlist. Let me be sure that's the same. Yes, view playlist. So let me save all, then refresh. All right, there we are. We have our table. Now this table is supposed to be running on the Bootstrap CDN. Thank you for watching these videos. Do not forget to subscribe and support, become a Patreon for this channel. The links are down in the description.